according to Shine said during that when Ebony go UK, whether she talked to Ebony on phone, no, she talked to Ebony on phone privately, whether on chat or phone. So she asked and said, why you not introduce me to this okay, 2009 and 19. Oh, thank you. 2019, okay. 2019. So according to Shine saying she talked to Ebony privately. So as in, babe, we be friends. Why you know introduce me to this UK level? Say she for like go the UK. So it's after she talked to Ebony, finish. According to Shine, so well after she talked to Ebony, like say she called it assume, say, you know, say most time, maybe you feel the verse for inside mind now. You will talk to your friends, yeah. Why you know give me this thing, or why you know introduce me to this thing? Then your friend will tell you, say, see the reason, And according as the matter will still be, Ebony just still new for the issue. Ebony still the find way to take go that side. So if Ebony, for my own right reason now, if Ebony cause go to say if as soon I carry me, when I see carry my friend, maybe the team feel no stick or walk like that, because the way life they be, you first fight for yourself first. Before you call it talk about fighting for other people. That's the way me say the reason, no. Then you know, say once you don't a verse for person for inside mind, you don't a verse for that person for inside mind. Any post when anything when the person do, any post when the person post, you're the reason say now you that person they talk to. Okay, Shine, according to Shine, say she talked to Ebony privately on phone or chat. He said then whether 2 days or 3 days later or the next day, I don't know. He said Ebony go write up on her page. They talk say enemy of progress, unfriendly friends. So unto say Shine done a verse for Ebony. Shine the reason say now she Ebony post they refer to. You understand? As in Ebony to refer that post to her. But for me, maybe for example, now say I talk to my friend and we not get too much argument. Maybe we'll not quarrel for the issue or we'll not fight for the issue. So if let me my friend post anything, I know the reason say now me. Because one thing when I know somebody, you have somebody fit talk on phone right now, when I figure a little misunderstanding, you don't know whether that person with on that person first get on that misunderstanding before you and I talk. Maybe that person not go post anything. You will not know. Saying maybe not be you that they refer the post to, you go the feel say now you that they refer the post to. Until say you don't already the verse for inside mind for that person. You understand? If they happen like that, assumption, you just assume. Say anything when the person call they do, even say the person even to dance safe, you'll say now because of you they dance. Even if the person table say, hey, what did they sing? You'll say now you. And if it not would be you, maybe the person just want just want still potpourri. If they happen like that, So that aside. So she said that then after when she called, she said Ebony write the thing. Also say one, I go blame then she come outside, call do live video about Ebony. That was 2019. Call do live video about Ebony. Call begin they talk different things, throw talk and all. And now because of the UK wahala. She don't forget the play where the both of them don't play. As in, they don't play where we're even on Shine traditional marriage. Now Ebony never make me go that traditional marriage. Because Ebony no let me rest. She kept on disturbing me. And Ebony was there for Shine, which I know. Even nobody need to tell me. And most of you still know say Ebony was there for Shine. You understand? And please, nobody should get me wrong. I'm not taking side with anybody. I'm not taking side. Now never see me with Ebony, so we can go particular day together, call they do video, say who they ziggy. No. I'm not taking side. You never see me with Shine, call do video, call they say who they ziggy. No. I'm not taking side. I'm just saying it the way the both of them they explain things to me on phone. Now until they talk the issue so at that time, Shine came outside was quarreling, shouting, and all that. I would see caution and say, what did they happen? What did they swap? She got to explain to me. Then she could convince me, tell me a lot of things. What the fair happen, which I'm not there. So I know, you know, I said, okay. You understand? But I thought, okay, it's not good for you to take her to live video because she's your friend. Because as for me, anybody when they already will carry me, you say you be my friend, we they play together and you go live video, go they talk about me, go they insult me, they talk a lot of things about me. I will not be happy. You understand? And I not believe say the way me they do my thing, no, I don't know about other people. The way they do my thing, I not believe say me and that person go and play again. Because if it be say me and you go get more normal quarrel for with outside Facebook, definitely nobody will know that. People with the Facebook don't know that will quarrel. And anything we see concern you, I not go full see mama and see talk put. You understand? Until we settle. Because until say me they quarrel, if I talk for the thing, you say not because me they quarrel. So I just lie low, stay on my lane. Just they mind my business. I think that's the best to avoid too many wahala. You understand? So as at that time when Shine come out, Shine didn't do well. She didn't do well at all to come and talk about Ebony. If you get any problem with Ebony, even if Ebony post things about you, you go come and you call Ebony for you say, come babe, what did they worry you? Now because I tell you about that UK traveling issue, where be say you know introduce me to, I don't make you go the right different thing for your work. Come on, go remove her. What did they worry you? Now maybe they do that one. When I use joke, she go remove her. You understand? When I go use joke as friends. She go remove that UK matter and I bring quarrel. But you forget, say, not be Ebony get UK to start with. Not be Ebony go determine whether go give anybody visa to UK. No. She only fought for her own self. You understand? So, that aside, we not quarrel for that matter that time. But even as you come outside, I think whether you come outside reach 2 times, I don't feel remember on once you do. But Ebony did not come out for you. She didn't come out. And I believe she didn't call you or I call a quarrel. You understand? So cannot hear about that one because I know say yeah, I wish Ebony still call you so I call the quarrel. You go still come out. You understand? Shine is not good. Say any small thing you just come out on live video. You want to talk about friend when you are into. You can create different content. You feel create your own content. You create different content. No bring quarrel when you're your friend quarrel where we know they there. When social media people know they there. You understand? So now you feel you argue, normal argue. Everybody go your rest go like that. If you can't carry a matter, come out. Now that place, that forgiveness, not the one day. You understand? Because one, all of us now adults. And moreover, you senior Ebony, you not be small picking. You senior Ebony. So for you to come out, if Ebony will be say you senior, go call stay, no call come out. Now you will be sister, where senior Ebony, where when now you will call come out, call they talk about Ebony. You get what person they big past my sister. I will still tell you that one. You understand? Then that one, that aside, we're not gonna play again. Everybody they do their own, they go. You understand? Then this matter will come up now with ladies of songs with a Kobe. Where be say ladies of song disrespect a Kobe. You understand? So I'm not gonna talk about that, but I just want to tell you. So yeah, so during that process where we say that thing happened, everybody talk about the issue on Facebook and no, everybody talk about the issue. Also say Shine one, you and ladies of songs, una not be friends like that, una not a ball out like that. Now she and Ebony they ball out, and according to what you talk, you said you came out to talk to ladies of songs. That's what you told me. That you came out to talk to ladies of songs. When you come out to talk to ladies of songs, you know talk anything about Ebony. You know who concern you about Ebony. You only advise ladies of songs. Say if he be say Paco be not be mate, if he be say he do bad like that or insult and may go apologize to him. This that. That was what you told me. Then I asked you. I said, did you mention Ebony's name on that video? You said no. That you didn't mention her name. You didn't even say anything that has to do with her on that video. Me, I know the quick watch video. Now make I call una for phone because I feel not get time to watch the video. So I feel not get time to watch the video. So let me tell you, not vessel. I must talk the truth. You understand? I must talk the truth. Unto say you and Ebony don't get quarrel before on a very good day. Other matter for they happen before when be say they consign ladies of songs when be say you know they talk put. You understand? Maybe say you know they talk put into some kind issue where be say they still say get the things where Ebony talk about Ayan where be say they call get to suspend Ebony come up for their this thing association for their movie industry stuff. I don't know. So when they suspend Ebony, one they suspend Ebony no apologize to anybody. To me, maybe I should not apologize to anybody. You know, say some kind of people now they'll say I beg they get other place where they pull mind. They feel no one apologize or one thing. But I believe say if Ebony wants to let love lead, she's supposed to say apologize to those people. One, not be able to the younger ones, so for the elderly ones where they there. She's supposed to still apologize to them. You know, get anything go remove for her body because one, there be elderly people, the senior and not be small picking, not be she apologize to. Okay, let's put that aside. Now, if as far as you know, they're among those 4 ladies who fair come out for Ebony that time, you from just bone. If you want to talk to Esther Edokbayi on Mr. Akobe issue, you are supposed to call her on phone and tell her, say, my sister, why don't you just, you know, let Sleepy Dog lie and forget about Quarrel? No, they do that kind of thing again. If you know, so you want to apologize to the man, apologize to the man. One day they must still settle. You understand? Or better still, just mind your business and just stay on your own. No over talk for the issue. You understand? So you made me understand that you came out, you were hailing Esther Odokbayi, say good things about her, that she should not fight with anybody, not quarrel with anybody, say quarrel no good, and you just they call her mommy, not be say she senior you, stuff. I not feel na few ones I feel remember. You understand? So you, according to you, you said a lot of good things. You understand? So you said a lot of things, as in good things about ladies of songs. But you say later, ladies of songs sister come out, call they insult you, call say so many things, insult you. But unto say me never hear for the other side, because definitely I am not there, and I didn't watch the video where the sister for insult you and all, and the video where you do. Now just phone call me for ask. Also say because of say me know you, me know Ebony. You understand? So as the lady insult you, okay, that's aside. And I told you, I said, okay, as I'm dropping this call, I will call Ebony. You understand? And apart from that one, you say Ebony, they insult you, they insult your husband. You say Ebony, come outside, they insult your husband, talk a lot of things about your husband, say different things. Ebony, they disrespect your husband, they disrespect your marriage and all. You understand? Which I condemn that act. If really say she do that thing, I condemn the act, because you know good that kind of thing. If you are in a get quarrel, you not suppose go to insult your husband. You understand? Okay, that aside. After then, I pleaded with you. I say it's our time. It's time for una supposed to let peace reign between una. Person not get person use quarrel they do. Then I told you again. I say my sister, one other thing where you they do one no like one thing. When I go tell you is that husband not be waiting until the last person, my dear. You see, this husband matter. Marriage no be can be a marriage now. We be say if you marry, you they start your life afresh. So not be all marriage. Some people they were there on Facebook where they hate themselves, say now so their husband they do everything for them. Now so their husband they do this one for them. So their husband they do this. Whatever your husband they do for you, my dear, you keep it to yourself. You don't need to come out on social media and boast about it. Just wait till your husband. Ebony no insult shine husband. Okay. Okay. So you don't need to come outside because they talk with your husband do for you, and your husband, my dear. If you know the way your marriage matter affected do for social media, if na me, you can never see my man on Facebook. What he want go do there? What he want go do for Facebook? I'm on Facebook because of say I they do video and because say of my business. Now Facebook, now they promote my business. That's why I'm on Facebook. And if you come on Facebook, I call they talk how much my husband they give me, or how my husband they love me, how my husband they do this one. Because my sister, one, safeguard your marriage. You are not a baby. You are 40-something years old. If na even 18 years person, I will come out because they talk all those ones, they talk. I'm still going to talk to everybody. Don't think I'm talking to you alone. I want to do one step by step. Man, I don't miss some. You understand? So you don't need to call. You don't big person will come out for social media. They want to talk about your husband, your marital life. Come out because they talk about her and all. Fine. Nobody want wish you. Oh. Nobody want wish you, but person they get some reserve. You understand? Person they get some reserve. No be to talk about your marriage or cause say go and marry. You see, go and marry. May I feel clear? Every elder person where they laugh people with marriage, apart from my sister Shine, every other people where they do that thing, my dear, not be must say everybody must marry, and everybody get their own choice of what they want. Ebony no insult Shine husband for social media. People they insult her husband. Okay. Not be must everybody must marry. You see what is also the last person? One, marriage and picking. Then not the last person because one, you can marry today. For this Benin, I don't see a lot of people where don't marry, where their marriage not will last. I don't know what to happen. I don't know what to do the network just now. I know about a lot of people where be say they marry, where their marriage not last 3 months. I know a lot of people be say they married today, and by the grace of God, they live inside that marriage. I know a lot of people where they say marriage, where they do suffering and smiling. I know a lot of people where they say marriage, where come out for Facebook, they do like say, you and their husband go wear the same cloth, they snap. Meanwhile, they put that cloth, now every fight blow, and then they blow each other. Marriage not be achievements. You understand? Marriage not be achievement to the last person at all. One, another thing they give, they use picking where person no born. Say last person. Say you know the shame, you never born. You know the shame, you never born. One, not be that person where you they laugh, not be God where they give picking. Not be that person where you they laugh, not be God where they give picking. You are not supposed to laugh anybody with picking. Say go and born. Go look for go give you belly born. What about if that will not be a goal for that moment? Maybe she get other things where she want me she achieve. Like me, before me say me settle down. So I don't achieve things. I don't achieve things on my own. Because man, I be this kind of woman where they very hard work. I don't want me be say I go husband that. So if my husband don't get at that moment, I'll feel carry the house. Shame not there inside. I cannot come out and come out both saying that so my husband they give me everyone and so my husband they give me everyone. No. Now for we to see the tea for the person body. You understand? You don't need to call the talk all those things. Now people go see him, say yes, say you are living well. You don't need to call the talk him. My sister, we don't big pass for this kind of thing. Because your kind of time where be say person come and call just my husband do this one, my husband do this one. You come and say the person they fool herself. You understand? So as for that one, my sister, you didn't do well to laugh Ebony with marriage or this thing. Ebony if you get different go. Me and Ebony not be the same do carry con life. Ebony if you decide to. A lot of people they will be say. I know of people will be say they will marry at the age of 50. Because I come here with Dokpa. Not be the same day where you go marry. Not be on that person go marry. In life, we don't need to laugh people. One thing about life, as you and Ebony be so, what she have, you lack. What you have, she lack. Now say your be. What she have, you lack. What you have, she lack. Now say it be. You understand? Now say it be. Other things they will feel achieve for life without talking about marriage to start with. Because as it is, they know they share money for people when marry. And when they share money every month for people when marry. At least people will never get husband at all. They go make sure say they will buy. They go buy the husband. Maybe say that money they share every month. They're supposed to receive them. You understand, my darling sister? I love you so much, and I will tell you the truth. Coming on live video, laughing at somebody, go and marry, go and marry, go and marry. That is not it at all. It does not show as the maturedness. You understand? So it does not show maturity at all. Pikin, as God just still give you your own. So when Ebony ready to still get in you, God go still give in you. You understand? When Ebony ready to get in you, God go still give Ebony in you. Then as for Ebony, a lot of people say, okay, Shine, that one as for you. Then I talk to Ebony. When I talk to Ebony, I ask Ebony so many questions. I ask Ebony, say, come. Shine said you come outside because they insult her husband. Why you come outside they insult Shine husband? You didn't do well, Ebony. Then Ebony told me, say, he said, where for that UK matter? Whether Missy say he come and one day call Shine. Now I say no. You don't come and call Shine. He said, why I call say Nana, you call say one come and call the call Shine husband on one thing. He said no, do one. He said she was on her own. He said now you enter live video. Call they do live video. They talk to ladies of songs. You tell ladies of songs, say, you be matured woman. Why you do like? Don't be say you senior me, but I just want the same thing where you tell me, but you didn't tell me about Ebony. Ebony said you call talk, say, Esther, you know they feel they advise your friend will be Blackie. You know they feel they advise your friend. May she go apologize to people when she offend. And you know say you and I know they play. Wait till concern you. You know yourself with your liver. As I said the rest people don't talk, they don't suspend them. You stay on your lane. Stay on your lane. No go tell and say, you go to tell Esther. Because maybe you, according to my own me they talk, and maybe you're reason and say, I want you still, you know, I want you to do this thing. Maybe you use Esther, take enter to do them. You understand? Just to talk your mind because I know you Shine. If something that they do you for assignment, if you get out temper. You get out temper where? Me too, I get out temper. I may not phone now, but I will not carry my friend on go to social media. I get friend me and don't quarrel. Quarrel, serious issue. Even result to police case. I'm not gonna go to talk and come out for this thing. No. Our way for where your knee, where everybody share Gary, they go away. If I see that my friend they come, any road way concern my friend, I will run past the other road. If you would they greet me, say, how far now? I'll do my face like this. I go my way. I go just say, I'll let me no gbonwa. That's how they do my thing. Once me, I know they play. I know they do anything near where you there at all. That is how I do my thing. And I will never use any parable word. Some people they will be saying you know they play. Don't go they write, don't go they use parable. They see they use parable word. So I'm going to write different parable word. The bad person you know they play. To me, if me and you know they play, you can't go they write parable word. Maybe you can't go they write parable word about me. That means you defend my friendship. It is very obvious. Because if you don't want my friendship, you know go they use parable word. You know go they find what you want about talk. Me about break quarrel. Maybe you for settle. Because as we all the quarrel so, more they quarrel they go. You go your way, I go my way. Do your thing, I do my thing. But if you can't go they talk one thing, say, hey oh, some people yellow pawpaw, hey oh, some people do like na their cream, now they walk past. I go look and say this one, the first settlement. Say that settlement you know see. Agua. So if you want to be classy, when you say you are classy, when you don't talk with this person, let it go and forget about anything that has to do with that person. No come out because they want to find a cheap, small cheap quarrel. It don't make sense to me. When you are big, and when you are small. It don't make sense. So you understand? So Ebony said that you the tell Esther say advise your friend. Advise your friend. Just go advise your friend. You know if you advise that your Blackie friend. You know if you advise that your Blackie friend. This one Ebony saying so you talk. Now make she call who do one video say I beg. According to you, when they follow you they talk. You say you know call Ebony name. Say na a dead the girl. Now you they call her. Say that they get you the call. Then when me talk to Ebony say no mention your name. Say you to say Abino, leave me alone. Say na be wetin she talk. But when you there for Esther, you actually mentioned her name for Esther to go and talk to her. Then I watch your video When you say you are the girl, you call her. There's one particular place there where you call her name, say Ebony. Hey, sweetie, Cynthia, pretty J, you know I love you so much, mama. I love you so much. See me, oh, your sister there, yeah, oh. I don't want to make Ebony with a shine, they quarrel. So I just want to talk on the way the matter be, you know. You understand? So there's one place when I watch when you for call shine Ebony name for the video. Then you call quick change, I call the talk another, call yours call the yaban. Normal like that. You understand? Then one thing about Ebony, when most of una don't know. Until you say as Ebony be so. Since UK time, she the saga Ebony. Yeah. That's true. This one says since UK time, then she the saga Ebony. That is true. So as Ebony be so. Ebony na this kind of person. Since when that Shine do that video, nothing now. Everybody go little say, even those 4 ladies when do video that time. Everybody go say, I must saga una. I must saga una. Una go see I must saga una. You see I say Ebony no they come at cause saga them. You know they come at cause saga them one. Because you see that girl so she's busy. I like hardworking people. Because me, I did very, very hardworking. You might not like Ebony. You might not like Ebony because maybe, yes, Ebony get busy body. You might not like her, but one thing I like about Ebony, now that also spirit where the Ebony body, that also spirit, where be say, oh, Ebony get this hustling spirit where be say, she wants make money come. Let be waiting, I really like about her. Apart from other thing, una supposed to know, for those of una who don't like Ebony character, una supposed to know the kind of person where Ebony be. Ebony na this person. If you like her, you don't like her. It no concern now. You look down at like person where the tea where you don't like concern her. It no concern her. As you don't say you don't like her, you go say you don't like her. You don't like this Ebony. Ebony too raise himself. Oh, Ebony too did this one. Oh, Ebony too raise himself. He say Ebony Ebony go say now be queen of this one, now be queen of this one, now be queen of this one. But maybe you not still forget say for your own title you get many AKAs too. You get AKAs also. Nobody go come out for this life now make us say may we call downgrade herself. You know day. Anybody will come out when you see say he downgrade his or herself. You know so that person don't they skip. On my banner, you understand? If we see person come outside, they spoil our own self. You know, so that person not call well. But you know, especially if everybody come outside, most of us, when I want to say, she they do any fine. Everybody sabi do judgeability. You understand? Now just away. Now just away. If you even talk for Natty tomorrow, na so Ebony job be. If you like, come out on live video, cause Ebony for tomorrow, for Natty tomorrow. Ebony go see come and go say, oh, there's Zuzu. What did they happen? Queen of Edo movie, queen of this one, queen. If na me buna, I know who cause her again. That's when you dey cause. I don't feel talk. Ebony. You go sit and you say they get money. Ebony go sit and you say they get money. Who they Zuzu? As everybody they cause Ebony rich, they talk say 2 million. Everybody go pay 2 million. Go pay 2 million. The person will give Ebony 2 million. As Ebony answer say, give me money, may I take boost my account. Why for take get visa? If the man to say he no get to give Ebony will put gun for the man head. He no put gun for the man head. As that man take give Ebony money, nobody did there. Ebony they live her life. When I hear they bother on herself. She go right for these things. He go right say, and next trip to UK say she go buy house. He say go buy house because Ebony do that thing, and they don't let her rest, so he go put pepper for their hair. She also go to write more things. As she go to talk say, Ebony, they cause her rich. I be say no, they saw those comments. Where did they cause her? Now that time go to do a more. You will call they cause Ebony. Ebony they do it thing. As the job be, that's what they do it thing. Now we they watch with envy. Now we just they watch with envy. Now we just they watch with envy. That is who Ebony is. You know fit change her. This one pretty Osa say, why you they support Ebony? My dear, see, I don't get time to support anybody. I know they fear to they fuck nyash. I be Ebony friend. I not be Ebony friend. You don't see me Ebony one they say we call they do who they zuzu or one thing. Man, I not get that fucking time. I'm not Ebony's friend. I not be Ebony friend. Say ask Ebony if the both of us say we call they talk for phone or would they talk all the time. Now one thing. I'm just saying the truth because people like Una when come my place Una say why you they join Ebony? Now they cause problem for everywhere. Now they cause problem. Yes, when you want to settle, let the both of them know the way they are. This is who Shine is. This is who Ebony is. I'm just trying to tell you people. Say, make una let peace reign. For you coming here, I go block you just now because one, I'm not there for that now. Whatever statement you have to say, keep inside your mind. If you don't like what I'm saying, please leave here. Don't watch me. Now they cause problem everywhere. As that Ebony there, so do you not say Ebony follow Shine reach for Shine marriage? You there, you where they talk for there. You there where Ebony they follow Shine. You there where Ebony they call me for phone, they beg me make and call Shine please. Call Shine wedding. I know they support anybody. I'm just saying the truth. I don't have time for you see all this cheap cause they do like say that you get who you love pass. I don't have time for that. I am not Ebony's friend. I'm not Body's friend. I am not good in making friends. If you don't do the kind of business I do, if you don't introduce me to good things in life that will promote me, I don't have time. You understand? This pretty Osas when they talk say, why you they join Ebony, join Ebony. If you don't this live video, you just call me. You know who know the person they talk. You just conclude that they join Ebony. Ebony they feed me. If they feed me, when I they join Ebony, you look me like woman, where person where they find friend. Doctor say I want to join Ebony. Say I want to join and make me and she for be friend. Or what? My dear, go and ask of me, my dear. Go and ask. I don't have time for friends. I'm a very classy woman. Do I do my things, eh? You know go call the yell nonsense about me, my dear. I'm just talking to the both of them. Where Shine for wrong, I tell Shine. Where Ebony for wrong, I tell Ebony. I don't listen to the both of them. If you talk rubbish here, I block you. I don't have time for nonsense. I don't be like when I'm going to find people where they act a BD drama, when I want to go to make friend. I'm a celebrity on my own. You understand? So, please. Where two people they quarrel? If they want judge matter, you go judge them with this one for wrong. You judge them with this one for wrong. Everybody don't come out for Shine. They cause Shine, say, you know, they shame. This one. You don't talk like that. You don't get for come and they talk, say, you know they share. Now so this one, You don't talk, huh? You don't talk, huh? We wanna go see words and no talk. Shine on my person, too. If I do birthday party, I they invite Ebony, I they invite Shine. None of them be my friends. Go and ask Shine. I don't go out with any of them. Because I get my own friends when they go out with. And you know, go see, we say we they call fight on Facebook with each other when something happen. You know, seriously, we they call they talk to ourselves anyhow on Facebook when something happen. When I go see this, when I go see truth, when I go defend, as I want to cause problem. Why are you supporting Ebony? If you don't like Ebony, that is your cup of tea. If you don't like her, that's none of my business. But don't come to my platform and try to cause problem here. Shine know me. Ask Shine go tell you. I know they fear to they fuck nyash. So don't say that. Oh, as una maybe some of una we busy una pass Libya enter abroad. Now go the reason dust. Two people they quarrel. You they find out where they join, that way they not join. Who do bad pass? Who do bad pass? Okay. This one has to go. Who do bad pass? Which kind of thing be all those ones? Two people they quarrel. Even if I'm here to settle you, before you settle issue, you go talk about this one, you talk about this one. Next time, they're not going to do that thing. Nobody, we people they quarrel, two friends they quarrel. Why bringing each other out on Facebook? Why bringing each other out on Facebook? Or who first start them? One I'll see through what if not for this one platform, when I go say, no manner, no do this one. It don't make sense. No make sense at all. So, Ebony and Shine. Ebony and Shine, my dear. You see all this quarrel. Where be say,